Chapter 1. Salt. Long ago, the water in the sea was just like the rain that falls from the clouds and waters the earth. It was just like the underground water that flows into wells. It was just like the water in streams and rivers and lakes. It did not have any salt in it. It was clean and fresh, and there was plenty of it. The people living on the islands in the Philippines would fill big pots with water from the sea and carry them back to their villages. They used the water for many things. When they were thirsty, the villagers drank the water. They boiled their rice in it. They gave the water to their pigs and chickens to drink. During the dry season, they watered their vegetable gardens with it. Their vegetables grew plump and sweet. The people on the islands were happy, and it seemed they had everything they needed. But they did not have enough salt. Salt was important to the people and their way of life. They needed salt to keep healthy. They would mix salt and water together and bathe their wounds with it. They used salty water, to wash their mouths and clean their teeth. The salt killed germs. Sometimes the people mix salt with boiled rice and prawns to make a sauce. They let it bubble and stew until the shells of the prawns became red and soft in the salty mixture. The people liked salt in their food. It made their food tastier. The people also needed salt to preserve food. They used salt to dry fish they caught to stop them from going bad. They would cut the fish down in the middle and open them up. Then they would rub salt into the raw flesh and hang them up in the sun to dry. The dried fish were good to eat. All year round, the people needed salt. They took the fish they had salted and the different foods they had mixed with salt to the local market. They sold them or swapped them for rice and other things they didn't have. But what they needed the most was salt, and this could not be found at the markets. There was only one place they could get the salt they needed.